Funeral house, day. The house is heavy with grief. People are crying. Some mourners begin to leave, but close family and friends remain. The sound of weeping and comforting words fill the air. Mbiza and Quasi step outside and sit near the cattle kraal, speaking in low but painful voices. Quasi, sister of the deceased. Who will take care of the children? I will keep my sister's children. And if you agree, I will also take everything Vumakonki left behind. Mbiza, brother of the deceased. Quasi, we just buried our sister. People are still crying, some haven't even gone back home yet. But you're already thinking about taking her belongings. Quasimar, no matter what you say, I will take what I want. Don't stand in my way if you still want peace. Mbiza, what's wrong with you, Quasi? These belongings could help the children. We could sell them to pay for their education. Quasi, as I said before, I will never change my plan because of you. Mbiza, fine, then we will sort this out tomorrow after people have left. Already some are gossiping that we are fighting over the property straight from the graveside. It will also give me time to speak with my wife. Funeral yard. People continue to murmur softly, mourning the loss. Some say the deceased left his children too young. After the meal, mourners begin to say their farewells and leave. Only close relatives and friends remain. I'm under a tree, late afternoon. Mbiza sits quietly, heartbroken. His wife Nyosi comes and sits beside him. Her voice is gentle and comforting, though his pain is still visible in his eyes. Nyosi, how are you holding up, my love? I've been waiting for a moment to be with you. Be strong, my husband. Vumakonki is resting now. I know it's hard, but please gather your strength. Mbiza Rain, I'm not well in my spirit, Nyosi, my love. I loved my sister deeply. She helped me so much in life. Now I have lost her, Nyosi. Vumakonki would not be happy to see you this broken. Mbizama, how can he be happy? Quasi says she wants everything, and she insists that if she keeps the children, I must support her. Nyosi. Quasi always wants everything done her way. But she will not succeed this time, not even a little. The grief is heavy, but a new battle is rising within the family. Who will take the children? Who will inherit the property? Secrets will surface, relationships will be tested. To be continued. YOMELWA MBANI INTANDANE.